The 2025 Yamaha XMAX Connected emerges as a standout in the sports scooter segment, blending advanced technology, dynamic performance, and contemporary design to cater to both urban commuters and weekend adventurers. Engine and performance. At the heart of the XMAX Connected lies a 292 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled 4-stroke SLHC single-cylinder engine equipped with 4 valves. This configuration ensures smooth and responsive power delivery, suitable for navigating city streets and open highways. The engine's efficiency is notable, offering an estimated fuel economy of 73 miles per gallon, which, combined with 3.4-gallon fuel tank, provides an impressive range for extended rides. Transmission and handling. The scooter features an automatic continuously variable transmission (CVT), allowing riders to enjoy a seamless, gear-free experience, ideal for stop-and-go urban traffic. The lightweight steel frame contributes to a wet weight of 403 pounds, enhancing maneuverability. Additionally, the XMAX is equipped with large 15-inch front and 14-inch rear wheels fitted with Dunlop Scoot Smart tires, ensuring stability and traction across various road conditions. Braking and safety. Safety is paramount in the XMAX Connected, which comes standard with a robust braking system comprising a 267mm hydraulic front disc and a 245mm rear disc, both supported by an anti-lock braking system (ABS). This setup provides riders with confidence-inspiring stopping power, even in challenging conditions. Design and comfort. Yamaha has infused the 2025 XMAX with bold styling cues, including radical X-shaped LED headlights and taillights that enhance visibility and give the scooter a distinctive appearance. High-mounted LED front indicators contribute to the streamlined look. The seat design has been refined to increase comfort and reduce the reach to the ground, making it accessible for a wider range of riders. Technological advancements. A standout feature of the XMAX Connected is its integrated instrument panel, which combines a 3.2-inch LCD speedometer with a 4.2-inch color TFT infotainment display. This modern interface enhances readability and provides riders with essential information at a glance. The scooter also boasts Yamaha's Y-Connect smartphone connectivity, enabling seamless integration with mobile devices for access to phone and music controls, vehicle data, and a full Garmin turn-by-turn navigation system via the Garmin Street Cross app. These applications are available free of charge for both iOS and Android users. Convenience features. Understanding the needs of contemporary riders, Yamaha has equipped the XMAX Connected with several convenience features. The Smart Key system allows for keyless ignition and access to storage compartments and the fuel tank, streamlining the riding experience. A new electronically adjustable windscreen offers nearly 4 inches of stepless vertical adjustment, enabling riders to customize their wind protection on the fly via a handlebar-mounted control switch. Ample underseat storage and a 12V power port further enhance the scooter's practicality, accommodating daily commuting essentials and longer journeys alike. Conclusion. The 2025 Yamaha XMAX Connected sets a new benchmark in the sports scooter category by harmoniously blending performance, cutting-edge technology, and rider-centric features. Its fuel-efficient engine, advanced connectivity options, and thoughtful design elements make it a compelling choice for riders seeking a versatile and modern urban mobility solution.